Try these natural muscle relaxers. Are you one of the millions who have struggled with back pain? Then you've probably encountered some form of muscle relaxer. Muscle relaxers are used to help reduce the amount of spasmodic activity that takes place in the muscles. Many of the pills taken by people can have a host of side effects, including drowsiness, fatigue, depression, and can even be highly addictive for some people. If those kinds of effects seem unpleasant, then you might be pleased to know that there are natural alternatives to such medications. Here's just a few natural muscle relaxers to get you started. Chamomile. This wonderful little flower known as chamomile is a popular main ingredient of teas. These teas are usually sold as a way to help relax people and help them get to sleep. This effect is due to the flavonoids that carry powerful antioxidant properties. These properties can help reduce inflammation and make it easier for your body to heal itself after some pains and discomfort. It can easily be found in a variety of natural food stores and tea houses. Magnesium. This particular mineral is vital for the transmission of messages between your brain, nervous system and muscles. People who are low in magnesium could possibly experience a small amount of muscle pain, and so it might be really a great idea to grab a handful of your favorite nuts to munch on before you start your daily exercise. Cherry juice. Cherries are a great source of vitamins, and they're great for jazzing up drinks. Cherries are great for reducing both muscle and joint pain. This is especially great for people who run or do other continuous physical activity. Grabbing a glass of cherry juice can help your muscles to relax, and reduce inflammation caused by the tiny tears in muscle tissue. Blueberries. One of nature's greatest gifts is definitely blueberries. These small super sweet berries can add a ton of flavor to your frozen drinks, and make a great treat when you're on the go. The main reason why they appear on this list though is that they are another extremely strong antioxidant. Blueberries are full of vitamins that both deliver important phytonutrients, and help you to process or break down other essential nutrients. Drinking a blueberry-based drink before a workout can reduce the amount of time that it takes to recover from the strenuous activity. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more important information on mind, body, and health issues.